Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is an unboxing video. We're unboxing an Island Connect device that has 5.5 HD screen, has a larger battery of 4000. I had to use a hairpin to actually unravel this because my fingernails were a bit finicky. If you have blade or scissors, well, it could do the work as well. I just took off the pins from my hair and yeah, that did the work for me. So this is the device. Like, this is what you see when you open the pockets. I'm just going to bring this out so that you can see what it looks like. And it has all this little information that you usually would see when you get a new device. This runs with Android 7.0. It has dual camera, 8 MP in front, and the back camera is about 13 MP. It also comes with a phone case, so if you get the device, you don't actually have to go and purchase yourself a phone case, which is value add. I love when companies actually give value added products to whatever service or products that you're actually purchasing. So yeah, this is pretty much a good one. We're bringing this back to life. So this is the rest of the things in it. You have the headphones, which is really key and constant. Of course, the USB cable. I mean, how is I going to charge the device? And you have the adapter to connect the USB cable to be able to charge the device. You have a phone from Island Technologies. And of course, the manual. I mean, who else? I don't read manuals anymore these days, but I actually advise that you do. You have the screen protector, and of course, you have something to clean. So that's pretty much all that was in the pack. Now, before you start to use the device, you need to open the back and take out the battery. So here comes my hairpin again to the rescue. Take it out. You see this nylon that is protecting that side of the device, of that side of the battery. Take it out and then place the battery back. See me, I was literally trying to struggle. You need to turn it around, turn the battery around. Turn it, baby girl, turn it, yeah. And then you can close and only then will you be able to actually power the device on. I'm not going to lie, it was a bit of a hustle. I wasn't sure what was going on, but as soon as I was able to do some research, place some calls, that happened. So here is the GENESYS 3 LiTE by Island. Go boat! Alright, so now that the device is on, I'm just going to go ahead and allow it to do some setting up. Usually you should put in some SIM card. Usually you should put in a SIM card, but of course I didn't have a SIM card at this time. I also did not have some kind of Wi-Fi connection to connect to at this time. Just wanted to pretty much show you guys what the interface looked like. So I'm going to be skipping a couple of steps that you usually should go through, just so that you guys can see what it looks like when I am done setting this up. Here you go. So setup is complete, and that's what the interface looks like. Basic, not really, but here. So that's the back button that I just pressed, and that's when you're trying to, get whatever it is that you've already seen. You need to pop up, and that's the back button that I just pressed again. That's the middle button. Swipe up, swipe up, swipe up, yeah. Swipe up, and then you open the screen. Okay, let's see what the camera looks like. I'm trying to test the camera quality. Pretty decent. I'm going to leave further details for you guys on the website, and then you can have in the description box, not on the website. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you did enjoy this video. Till I come your way again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you get to subscribe to our channel, please make sure that you do subscribe, watch our previous videos, and yeah, have a lovely weekend. Bye.